Hi there, thank you for visiting the furnaces page. If you are in the lower mainland and you are looking to replace your existing residential furnace, then you have come to the right place. We specialize in furnace replacements. You will find lots of information on this page regarding what we do, how we do it, and some of the products that we offer. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can book a free in-home consultation, so we will come out free of charge and run over all of your options for you and provide you with a free, no obligation quote. You can call us, email us, or you can book online via our online chat feature. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. We look forward to hearing from you.